Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
So in the last class, we are discussing about the trigonometric functions, isn't it? Trigonometric functions. Okay. When you take an angle, what is full angle? Full angle, complete angle is 360. Okay, when you divide it into 4 quadrants, we divide it into 4 quadrants. We draw 2 axes and we divide it into 4 quadrants. In the first quadrant, okay, in the first quadrant, which of the ratios are positive? Is it sign only?
Ratios.
All are positive, isn't it? In the first quadrant, all are positive. Okay, well, that's one easy clue to remember. What is that word? All?
All silver teacups.
All silver teacups. All silver teacups. So in the first quadrant, all are positive. In the second quadrant, sign and its reciprocal are positive. Okay, all silver T. T means tan. Tan and its reciprocal are positive. Or other ratios are negative. Cups means here it is cos. Cos and its reciprocal sec are positive. Okay, it's positive. Okay. So now we are going to find out the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Listen, children, we have learned how to find, sorry, not we, okay, I think we have not yet started with finding the angles, sine 120 and all, whether we started that one?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. Listen, children, see, if we know that in the first quadrant, the angles lie between 0 to 90. If you take the first quadrant, angles are from 0 to 90. In second quadrant, 90 to 180. Third quadrant, Alantina, third quadrant, it is from 180 to 270. Okay, and what about the fourth quadrant? 270 to 360. 360 means one full complete rotation. And we know that it is a periodic. Okay, after each rotation, we move on through the same thing. 360, multiples of 360 again coincide with 0. All the multiples of 360 will coincide with 0. And we have learned the values up to sine 90 and all. Sine 30, sine 45 and all. We don't know what is sine 120, how to calculate. Suppose we are given an angle, sine 1050, how to find? Okay, for that, we are going to learn some methods. Okay, we are going to learn some formula. No need to by heart it, but if you understand how to calculate it, you'll be able to do. Okay, no need of by hearting, only this formula you have to remember. Few formula we have to remember. So, note down the first formula is, that is few tips I am giving. If you remember these tips, you can do this, solve these problems easily. Okay, first one is all the multiples of 360. 360 means 2 pi. Hereafter, okay, multiples of 360 means 2 pi is same as 0, will become 0. Why? 360 will coincide with 2 pi, isn't it? 0. If you complete one rotation, it will become 360. You complete this to 720. So all the multiples of 360 will become 0. Okay. The second point is, okay, suppose we have the angles. Suppose we write the angles as 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta. Suppose we are writing the angles. Okay, suppose we are given an angle, we are writing it as 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta. 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Listen, children, don't write, first listen. Suppose we write the angles in the form 90 plus 90 minus 270 plus 270 minus. There is a specialty what we do. Sine will become cos and cos will become sine. What happens? Whenever we split the angles in terms of 90 and 270, such, okay, sine will be converted into cos. Okay, what is the full form of cos? You have learned this in 10th standard. Cos means cosine. What does it mean? Complementary angle of sine. Okay, so sine and cos are complement of each other. That is why when we write the angles in terms of 90 and 270, sine will become cos, cos will become sine. Okay, similarly, if you take tan, what is the complement of tan?
Cot.
Cotangent, isn't it? The word is like this, cotangent. Complement of tan is cot. So when we write the angles in terms of 90 plus or 90 minus, tan will become cot and cot will become tan. Tan will become cot and cot will become tan. Similarly, sec. Sec will become cosec. Okay, cosecant. Cosecant. So complement of secant. So sec will become cosec. Similarly, cosec will become sec. So whenever we split the angles in terms of 90 plus or 270, okay, in these cases we have to remember. Okay, in the other case, suppose we write with terms of 180, 360 and all, it is not needed. But when we write the angle in terms of 90 or 270, okay, when we do the problem, when we solve the problem, it will become clear. Before that, you just write down the rules. So if we split the angle in terms of 90 plus or 90 minus or 270 plus 270 minus, sine will become cos, cos will become sine. Tan will become cot, cot will become tan. Sec will become cosec and cosec will become sec. Okay, whenever we split the angle in terms of 90 and 270, you have to look at the complementary part. We'll write the complement of the angle. Is it okay, Meherin?
Yes, ma'am.
Jewel, is it okay? Malavika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are going to write few set of, it is like the formula, but no need to learn it. You understand it, okay? When we do the problems, if you understand it, we can apply that one easily. Okay, write the first one. First one is 90 minus theta. Listen, you can write afterwards. First listen. 90 minus theta. Okay. Sine of 90 minus theta. Okay. First, okay, I'm drawing this part. All silver tea cups. 90 minus theta means in which quadrant you will get. We are subtracting from 90. So in which quadrant the angle will lie?
A.
First quadrant, isn't it? It will lie in the first quadrant. So in the first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. Okay, so all the trigonometric ratios are positive. Now, so sine of 90 minus theta, it will be positive. But look at the angle here. Here we have 90. We are writing the angle in terms of 90. Whenever 90 is there, 90 or 270 is there, means we have to convert it in complement. So what is complement of sine? Complement cos. So it will become plus cos theta. Is it clear? So whenever we write the angle sine of 90 minus theta, whenever we split the angle like this, sine of 90 minus theta, it will be cos theta. For example, you check this one. What is sine of 90 minus 30? Is it same as cos 60? Is it same as cos 30? Check it. Sine of 90 minus 30. Will it be same as cos 30? What is the value of sine 60? What is the value of sine 60, Naurin? Sine 60 is? Value of sine 60 is? Can't hear, Naurin. No. Pooja, what is sine 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Yes, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. What is cos 30, Anashara?
1 by 2.
Cos 30, is it 1 by 2?
Root 3 by 2.
Yes. Okay, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay. So look at here. Is it satisfying this condition? So whenever you have in the form sine of 90 minus theta, it will become cos theta. Similarly, what will be cos of 90 minus theta? It will be plus sine theta. So what will be tan of 90 minus theta? Sanjana? Tan of 90 minus theta, it is cot theta. Okay. So it will be cot of 90 minus theta. John Joss.
Ma'am, tan theta.
Tan theta. Yes, correct. What is sec of 90 minus theta? Tom Sebastian? Sec of,
Cosec theta.
very good. It is cosec theta. Align? What is cosec of 90 minus theta? Cosec of 90 minus theta.
Ma'am, sec theta.
Yes, it is sec theta. Okay. So how we fix this sign? We look at the quadrant. 90 minus theta means it is in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. So all the ratios are positive. And when we split the angle in terms of 90 or 270, we have to write the complementary angle. So we write sine of 90 minus theta as cos theta. Tan of 90 minus theta as cot theta. We write the complements. Is it clear? Is this part okay, Niranjan? Okay. Is it okay, Shabrinath? So write this one. Write this one. Note down this first set. 90 minus theta. Those are completed. You try with 90 plus theta. Try this one, 90 plus. Okay, those are completed. Check this one. What is sine of 90 plus theta? See, its applications are there in physics. You'll be learning in physics. Okay, when some applications are in wave theory and all, you will use all these properties. Whenever you get 90, sine 90 and all is there means you'll write in terms of cos and so on. Okay. So first part, is it over? 90 minus theta, is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at the next one. Sine of 90 minus theta. What will be the answer? Yes, Vinayak, try the answer. Vinayak, try your answer. Sine of 90 plus theta. Yes, Vinayak, sine of 90 plus theta. Okay. Niranjan, what is sine of 90 plus theta? Niranjan, sine of 90 plus theta. Cos theta. Is it correct, John Philip? Cos theta.
Ma'am, negative cos theta.
Why you are saying negative?
Ma'am, because it is in the second quadrant, 90 plus theta.
90 plus theta. But look at 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is second quadrant. It is correct. But which ratio is positive there? Which ratio is positive? Sine is positive. Is that no?
Yes, ma'am.
Sine is positive. We are calculating the trigonometric ratio of sine. So it will be plus only. Okay.
Okay.
Sine, we have to look at the ratio of which angle we are finding. Is it sine of? Is it cos of? Okay. After that, you make it convert this into complement. 90 plus is there. 90 plus means sine will become cos. So it is plus cos theta is correct. Shabarinath, what is cos of 90 plus theta? What is cos of 90 plus theta?
Negative sin theta.
Yes, it is negative sine theta. Okay. Why? 90 plus means it is in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. Here we are calculating cos. So cos is negative. Minus 90 is there. Cos will become its complement. So it is sine. Renil, what is tan of 90 plus theta? Renil. Renil, tan of 90 plus theta. Renil, Anne Mary, answer this one, Anne Mary. What is tan of 90 plus theta?
Minus cot theta.
Very good. It is minus cot theta. And the next one also you answer it, Anne Mary. Cot of 90 plus theta.
Minus tan theta.
Yes, correct. It is minus tan theta. Jewel, next one. Sec of 90 plus theta. Jewel.
Cosec, negative cosec theta.
Yes, negative cosec theta. And what is sec of 90 minus theta?
Sec theta.
It is plus sec theta. Why? Why it is plus sec theta?
Ma'am, cos 90 minus theta, that it will come in second quadrant. And cosec is positive.
Yes, in second quadrant, cosec and sine are positive. Is it clear? Is it okay, children? So write up to this. Now, once you finish this, write the next set. Is it over? Is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write the next one. 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta. Find out. 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta. What is sine of 180 plus theta? Yes. Malavika, give the answer for the first.
Ma'am, negative cos theta.
Will it become cos? So what is the angle we are using here? 180. In which case it will become complement when we express the angle as a sum of 90 or 270. Is that no? So here sine will be sine itself. Okay, don't write the complements. In case of 90 and 270 only, we have to split this. So it is 180 plus theta. In which quadrant we will get 180 plus theta means it is third quadrant. So it is minus sine theta. Is it okay? Is it clear, Malavika?
No, ma'am.
Listen. See, in which case we have to write the complement when we split the angle in terms of 90 or 270. Now look at the angle here. Here we are writing it as sine of 180 plus. We are expressing it as sum of 180 plus something. So whether we have to write the complement there, John?
No, ma'am.
No. So sine will be sine itself. Now look at the sine 180 plus theta. In which quadrant it will come?
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant. In third quadrant, which is positive? It's
Tan and cot.
Tan and cot. So sine will be negative. So we write this as minus sine theta. Is it okay, John?
Yes, ma'am.
What about, now give the answer, John. What is cos of 180 plus theta?
Negative cos theta.
Negative cos theta. Okay. What will be tan of 180 plus theta?
Tan theta.
Yes, it is correct. It is tan theta. Okay. So now next. Malavika, answer this next one. What is cot of 180 plus theta?
Cot theta.
Cot theta. What will be sec of 180 plus theta?
Negative sec theta.
Yes, it is negative sec theta. Atulya, cosec of 180 plus theta. Atulya.
Minus cosec theta.
Yes, it is minus cosec theta. Now, find the next one. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. Okay. G's, tell me G's. G's, Joseph.
Sine.
Sine of 180 minus theta. What is that?
No, it's a cos.
Will it become cos? In which case it will become cos when we express it in terms of 90 or 270. Is that no? Here, look at the angle here. We are writing with as a sum of 180, isn't it? So, what will be the answer?
Sine.
Yes, it will be sine itself. Sine theta. But you have to look at the sign. 180 minus, we are reducing from 180. So if you subtract something from 180, in which quadrant you will get? It will be in the second quadrant, isn't it? In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. So we write plus sine theta. Okay. Is it okay, Jis? Now try to answer the next one. Cos of 180 minus theta.
Plus cos theta.
Will it be plus cos theta?
It's cos theta.
It is negative cos theta. Okay. In second quadrant, sine is positive, but cos is negative. So it is minus cos theta. What will be tan of 180 minus theta? Yes, Jis. What will be tan of 180 minus theta?
tan theta.
Hmm. What about the sine? 180 minus. In which quadrant? You fix that quadrant. 180 minus. Okay, 180 minus theta means it is in the second quadrant. All silver. Silver means sine and cosec. So what about tan? Will it be positive or negative? It is negative. Okay, it is negative. Pooja, what will be cot of 180 minus theta? Pooja?
Negative cot theta.
Yes, negative cot theta. Alantina, sec of 180 minus theta.
Minus sec theta.
Cosec of 180 minus theta.
Cos theta.
It is cos or cosec?
Cosec theta.
Cosec theta. Is it correct, Shabarina? Is it okay? Okay, so you copied up to this. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next set. 360, sorry, not 360. Earlier to that we have 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Find out. 270 plus 270 minus sine 270 plus theta. Yes. Rahul, what is sine of 270 plus theta, Rahul?
Ma'am, minus cos theta.
Minus cos theta. 270 plus, isn't it? So 270 plus means in which quadrant you will get? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Here it is sine. So it is minus cos theta, correct. What will be cos of 270 plus theta? Rahul. Yes, repeat it.
Sin theta.
Yes, it is sine theta. And what will be tan of 270 plus theta? Tan of 270 plus theta?
Minus cos.
Minus cot theta. Yes, correct. Good. Next. Anashwarya. Cosec of 270 plus theta. Anashwarya.
Ma'am, negative sec theta.
Very good. What about sec of 270 plus theta? Anashwarya, yes, sir.
Ma'am, positive cosec theta.
Yes, positive cosec theta. Next is Sanjana. Cot of 270 plus theta.
Negative tan theta.
Negative tan theta. Okay. So now complete the next part. 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta. Malavika, sine of 270 minus theta.
Negative cos theta.
Negative cos theta. Cosec of 270 minus theta. Cosec of 270 minus theta is?
Negative sec theta.
Yes. Meherin, cos of 270 plus theta. Meherin.
Minus sin theta.
Minus sine theta. Sec of 270 minus theta.
minus cosec theta.
Okay. Pranav, tan of 270 minus theta. Pranav.
Plus cot theta.
Very good. Plus cot theta. And what is cot of 270 minus theta?
Plus tan theta.
Very good, Pranav. Good. Is it okay, children? Up to this, is it okay? Completed? Okay, like imposition, we are writing so many. Okay, same thing. Now, the next set, it is not over. Okay. Completed up to this? Naureen? Huh? Is it over? Now the next set, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Now listen, while writing 360 plus theta, listen children, don't write, first listen. 360 plus theta. So I'm going to find out sine of 360 plus theta. Listen children, 360 plus 360 will coincide with 0. And we wrote one point there. Whenever we get multiples of 360, we can write this as 0. Sine of 0 plus theta, which is same as sine theta. When you add something with 360, in which quadrant you will get? First quadrant, isn't it? So all the ratios will be positive. What will be cos of 360 plus theta?
Cos theta.
Cos of 0 plus theta, it will be same as cos theta. Okay. So you're like this, you complete it. Then similarly write with 360 minus theta. Listen all of you. Here this set of formula is very important. Negative angles. For negative angles, we use this. What is sine of 360 minus theta? So 360 will coincide with 0, isn't it? So it is same as sine of minus theta. What will be the answer? When you subtract from 360, in which quadrant you will get? Fourth quadrant. So what will be the answer? Minus sine theta. Is it clear? So hereafter we say, whenever we get sine of a negative angle, we can take negative outside. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. What will be cos of 360 minus theta? 360 minus theta means it will be cos of minus theta. But what is cos of 360 minus theta? When we subtract from 360, it will be in the which quadrant? First quadrant. 360 minus theta means fourth quadrant. All silver teacups. It is positive. So you'll get positive cos theta. Is or no? So now complete the remaining. This tan of 360 plus theta. Okay. Complete this one. I'll mark your attendance, answer your attendance. What is tan of 360 plus theta? Navaneet? Tan of 360 plus theta is? Tan of 360 plus theta.
Tan theta,
Yes. What is cosec of 360 plus theta?
cosec theta,
Yes. Sec of 360 plus theta.
theta,
Cot of 360 plus theta.
cot theta.
Okay. Same way here. Okay. So this set mark it as very important, children. Okay. Negative angles. So what is tan of minus theta? Malaviga? That is, it is tan theta. It is minus tan theta. What will be cosec of minus theta? It is minus cosec theta. Sec of minus theta is sec theta. And cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Look at here. Only for cos and sec, the negative angle will be same as the sec. And for the remaining things, if negative is there, means we can take the negative outside. Okay, that two formulas are very important. Mark it. You have marker means mark that one. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, but cos of minus theta is cos theta. Sec of minus theta is sec theta. Is it clear? So one more period we have, that time we'll be doing problems based on this. We'll be doing problems. Okay. When we are given big numbers, what we will do? We will be splitting in multiples of 180 or 360, 270, and we select the appropriate property from this and we find the value. That's the easy one. Okay. It's an easy one. The thing is, are you thorough with this concept? How to fix the angle and the sign? Is it clear? No need to by heart it. Only this few things you have to keep it in mind. 90 and 270 is there, means you have to write the complementary. Then all silver teacups. If we are thorough with these two things, we can find the angles. We can find the angles easily. Find the ratios of the angles easily. Okay? Okay, children. Okay, meet you in the next period. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.